Fáilte welcome to Irish by Design's SCT piano accordion collection. This collection is based on the SCT graded Traditional Irish Music series, designed to help you learn, enjoy and play Irish music with confidence. Enjoy the music. This is my interpretation of the tune called The Harp That Once Through Tara's Halls. It is recorded here in the key of G major and 4/4 time. Evoking Ireland's rich past, allow long notes to linger slightly, creating a resonant, reflective quality that brings out the beauty of each phrase, widely played between 60 and 70 beats per minute. If you'd like to follow the full SCT piano accordion collection, please subscribe to the channel and join me as we bring these beautiful Irish melodies to life, one tune at a time. Slán go fóill. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tune and we look forward to sharing more with you very soon. And remember, as always, Irish by design.